This is the multi-bike lifter. To install the multi-bike lifter, decide where you want to lift and store your bikes, and make sure you have enough room to do so. The multi-bike lifter comes with SmartTrack for mounting it to your ceiling. It is vital that your SmartTrack be properly secured to your studs to ensure safe operation. See our stud finding video here to help you find your studs. And before installing any SmartTrack, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your SmartTrack and the product you will mount to it. To operate the multi-bike lifter, you'll also need to install a power adapter. The power adapter has 6 feet of power cord. Take this into account as you choose the location for your lifter. Once you've found your studs and chosen the location for your SmartTrack, you'll need to use the included drill bit. Drill 2 holes for the SmartTrack and screw in the lag screws using a wrench or ratchet, as the drill could damage the screws and the holes they are in. Install the power adapter using the universal mount on the back. Mount the power adapter to the SmartTrack and plug it into the nearest outlet. Mount your MyLifter to the SmartTrack using the pins, and be sure there are 2 holes between the MyLifter and the carabiner. The carabiner needs to be on the same side of the track as where the cable comes out of the MyLifter. Then, using the DC cable, connect the power adapter to the MyLifter. To make your install more tidy, you can use the included cable clips to attach the power cable to the drywall. Just remove the 3M backing, stick the bracket to the drywall, use the included screw to hold it in place, and snap the cable into the clip. With the MyLifter powered up, you're ready to pair it to the MyLifter app. Download the app to your smart device, and with Bluetooth turned on, press the pair button on the MyLifter. The yellow flashing light will turn green, and the name of the MyLifter will appear in the Available Lifters menu. Tap the lifter's name, and it will move to the Newly Paired section. Go back to the MyLifter menu, and tap the name of the MyLifter. This is the remote screen for the MyLifter. You can make the MyLifter cable go up or down, set high points and low points, as well as monitor the load on the MyLifter. Push the down button, and the MyLifter will let out some of its cable. Run the cable through one side of the multi-bike lifter frame, and out the other side. To attach it to the SmartTrack, you'll need to position the carabiner so that there are 2 holes between the carabiner and the end of the MyLifter. Once completed, your cable should be almost vertical on either side of the lifter. Be sure to use the track covers to make your install look its best. To attach your bikes to the frame, lower it to about handlebar level. Each bike will be attached to the frame with 2 straps, 1 for each wheel. The front strap needs to go from the mounting frame hook through the spokes and behind the front fork, and then back up to the corresponding hook on the frame. The rear strap will go from the hook, through the spokes, and under the seat stays, and back up to the corresponding hook on the frame. With the bikes all attached to the frame, use the app and lift the frame a short distance. It is normal for the frame to want to skew sideways. Use the adjustment crank and the liquid level to change the balance of the frame so that it is level. This will keep your bicycles from running into each other and keep everything looking tidy. We recommend using the straps to balance the bikes from front to back and adjusting them so that all the bike tires are touching the ground at the same time. This will make it much easier to attach and detach the bicycles in the future. For quick adjustments, your kit includes a set of arrow stickers. Place 1 arrow on the pulley assembly, and as you find your balance points for 1, 2, or 3 bikes, you can place stickers on the frame so that if you need to remove 1 or 2 bikes, you can quickly adjust the crank and move to the correct balance point without having to start from scratch. You're now ready to use your multi-bike lifter. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.